Hey guys, my name is Nicole. I'm a young adult author, a pastry chef, and a very big K-pop fan. And I am back with more solo videos from the members of Stray Kids. And it's time. It's time. I have an alt bias for Stray Kids, and it is Bangchan. Christopher, Channy, whichever version of him you like, you prefer. I love them all. Channy. Oh my god, and we are with the absolute thirst trap that is Railway. So, do all the things you do when you like someone on YouTube. If you like these videos, you want to see more, check out all my other playlists. I've got all my socials down below. I have links to the other videos floating around. And if, oh my god, if you guys want to leave me more stuff to, recommendations to watch and react to, please do so in the comments below, because my comment world, like Stayville, is a safe and welcoming place for all. Please be respectful and loving to everybody, because all the love I've gotten so far has been amazing and wonderful, and I truly appreciate it. And, oh my god, okay. I don't know if I'm mentally prepared for this. Like, I don't know that I'm prepared for this. Because I've seen the concert performances videos. I had not seen the whole thing. I've seen the clips, the bits, the bobs, the flashes. If you know, you know. This is gonna be special. We're gonna get right into it, because this is gonna shut my brain down. So here we go. Bangchan's Railway MV Kaja. Okay. Ooh. Wait. No. Take it back. No. Is this the vampire Bangchan that I was so disappointed I didn't get in Walk on Water? Oh my god, if this is vampire Bangchan, I'm gonna lose my shit. Woo! It is. Oh my god, it is!
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Hottest racing day and night.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just totally... Oh, yes! Oh my god. This is Vampire Bangchan! Oh my god, I cannot tell you. My Buffy loving heart right now is so excited for this. Oh my god, I have wanted this so much. Oh my god. And he's Dracula too, from the looks of it. Oh, with the spikes, with the... Oof. Oh my god, he's Dracula. Okay, I'm sorry, we're starting this over again. I'm gonna try and keep this to a minimum, but I make zero promises when it comes to Vampire Bangchan. Calm. I am calm. Stays, I'm calm. Seriously, I am. No, I'm not. Here we go.
Vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Hottest racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight until the rain. right and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket that says one trip. No turning.
Ah, that. That.
Hold tight onto them railings. It's obvious, but something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
Ooh, thanks and the
Brace
claws.
yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties?
Ooh.
Casualties, 'cause it's safe when it's just you and me.
Okay. This is every paranormal romance, paranormal fantasy, vampire movie, book, I don't care, whatever, put into one. Oh my god. Like, I'm getting reminiscent of Moonlight, which is a show that was on several years ago. Amazing vampire show. So underrated for how great it was. I'm getting like the multiple different Dracula references and incarnations. Even like from my favorite Dracula one, which, oh gosh, why can't I think of his name? The guy who played Gaston in Beauty and the Beast, in the live action Beauty and the Beast, where he was Dracula Untold. I mean, there's even been like one or two like little brief Twilight references in here. Like, oh my god, but like even like Angel and Spike, like, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. I need to get through this. And he's fighting zombies.
Need no break, no brakes. This train, the engines go insane. I'm late, it rains. As long as we head on.
I will say I'm glad he's not glittering. But what the what?
Fear is dead, no doubt. Baby, trust me now. Sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket that says one trip.
He's making his own vampires. Ooh, that's questionable, Channy.
It's only us, but something saying more, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, 'cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me, baby. I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling. That's right, hold on tight. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
What? The what? It's like he's two parts of the same vampire whole, like, because the one had the white eye, the other had the other white eye. Oh my god, this is so angel coded. Like Angel when he was the vampire that was cursed with his soul. It's like his evil dark side, but then you've got the soul side. Oh my god, I'm losing my shit. Oh my god, I'm done. Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry. Research purposes. Research purposes right now. We're doing this again. You're welcome.
Tunnel vision, got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket that says one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto them railings. It's only us, but something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me, baby, I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling, flash right, hold on tight. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Need no break, no breaks. This train, the engines go insane. I'm late, it rains. As long as we head on route, fear is dead, no doubt. Baby, trust me now.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket that says one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto them railings. It's only us, but something saying more, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
Ooh.
Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me, baby, I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling, flash right, hold on tight. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm just gonna say it. Hands down. Hands down, my favorite. It hit everything. Everything I wanted. Like, oh my god. Like, with what I saw of the performances, this was not what I was expecting, and this was fucking amazing. Oh my god, so much is going through my head right now. I can't even verbalize. I'm an author, and I cannot even verbalize right now what I'm feeling and thinking about this, because I mean, this isn't Channy. This isn't even Chan. I feel like this is Christopher, like, 3 levels up. But what? The what? Oh my god. I'm truly done. My brain's done. I'm gonna go rewatch this like 3 or 4 more times, because oh my god, this is hitting my top 10 of 10 songs for Stray Kids. Like, whoa, oh my god. I can't even. There's only so many times I can say that before you all want to smack me. So I'm going to end this here. And I'm going to say I'll see you all next time. Thank you for joining me. Wow. Go watch this 1,000,000 times because wow. Bye. See you guys next time.